Good evening, today's Wordle, 25th of April. I'm going to start with snare. And, right, we got three of them. We got an A, an E, and an S, all in different places. I'm guessing that Wades. Can't really think of anything at the moment, but that would put all the letters in different places. And we've got a W, and the E is right. The A isn't. It can't possibly. Well, I guess it could end the A, but it's very unlikely. So it's going to start with an A. It's got an S and a W. I was going to say answer, but that's 6 letters. As aware or askew. Askew is right. There you go. Impressive. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Bye.